The tools which sit within planning lessons allow you to generate resources quickly and which are personalised to your students' needs. The tool we are going to highlight is the Misconception Generator. This tool allows you to predict what potential misconceptions could be in the topic you're teaching. To use it, you start by selecting the key stage. You then provide your topic of study and end it with your learning objective. When you're ready, you click Generate Analysis. The system will then generate you 5 potential misconceptions. Each one contains what the misconception is, an explanation of the misconception, and then teaching advice on how to avoid this. You can then turn this into a quiz to assess the students' learning, and then this can also be exported to PowerPoint. Before we move on to the next section, have a look at some of the tools within planning lessons. The next video is going to be how you can use GivEducation in teaching.